brought you here?
I want to chase adventures.
Hello, who's this guy?
She hides away like a ghost.
What's it like sailing out there all alone?
You're either sleep deprived or seasick, and after a few days, there's hallucinations.
Why do you do it?
It's a feeling I can't describe. It's just you and the infinite horizon.
If you play, I'll be the same.
How would you like to sail the Hosanna to California first?
What do you think?
I think 4,000 miles is insane.
I'm not going anywhere without you. Come sail with me.
Bon voyage, lovers!
Hurricane Raymond has taken an unexpected turn and has been upgraded to a Category 5.
We need to make sure everything's secure.
Don't worry.
Love you. Get below!
Oh my God! Richard! Richard! It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna take care of you. We're thousands of miles from land. We're not in any flight paths. That's like a 1,500 square mile search area.
A needle in a blue haystack.
Is anybody there? Mayday!
My ribs are broken. My legs shattered. I'm dead weight.
We sailed to Hawaii.
It's like a 2,000-mile shot at a moving target. If you miss Hawaii,
We missed Hawaii. We died. I can't do this.
you can do anything you put your mind to. I sailed halfway around the world to find you.
I'm not letting you go.